Quick reading for June the 5th to June the 6th of Virgo. Your cards are the Eight of Swords, the Page of Wands, and the Emperor. So nakikita natin dito na ang Eight of Swords medyo either nagtatago tayo ngayon kay person or ayaw natin siyang kausapin. Parang for a few numbers of you, we deactivated our account, created a new account for now. Parang gusto mo kasi dito ng kaayusan, no? Parang gusto mo ng firm commitment. Kasi parang si person nilalaro, no, itong inyong connection probably. Kaya ka ngayon medyo tough love. Medyo stiff tayo ngayon kay person. The Eight of Swords is clarified with the Three of Swords and the Four of Pentacles. Medyo nasasaktan tayo kasi parang binabaliwala tayo ni person. So parang ito yung retaliation mo without even saying a word, or parang gusto mong ipakita sa kanya na nasasaktan ako, no? Kung ganito lang, then they might as well. Huwag tayo mag-usap, no? Or kalimutan natin tong connection. You're brave to do this. I feel like with the Four of Pentacles, medyo hinahanap ni person yung mga presensya mo, no? This is your quick reading for June the 5th to June the 6th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.